I can't express how good my brain feels after drinking this. Every time I make my afternoon matcha, people ask me for my recipe and my brand recommendations. So here it is. I love Harmonic Arts Matcha Mind because they pour so much care into the ingredients of their products. And this one's got matcha plus a little lion's mane boost, which we love, and even a little moringa for the antioxidant boost, collagen for a protein boost. If I want to be super focused in the afternoon, do a little extra lion's mane. Raw honey for a sweetener. If you get your honey local or from farmers markets, you know it's gonna taste amazing. Plus, so you're supporting local farmers and bees, and you know that it's real honey and it's not cut with something. Honey. I do half oat milk, half hot water. And we froth. If you're someone that gets like the anxiety jitter feeling after coffee, you should try matcha. It has caffeine, but it also has an amino acid that's naturally occurring called L-theanine. And L-theanine gives you that zen, calm feeling. So the balance of the two gives you this energy, but in this calm, focused way. Enjoy.